Hello all, welcome to my Friendly Maths channel. Today I want to discuss one important concept of divisions where mostly students commit silly mistakes and lose marks. Okay, let us discuss what that concept is. Here see it is 6,02,509, okay, divided by 21. That is the first example. Two examples I have taken today to discuss with you. Now see here it is 21. So if you don't know the table of 21 and all, so how to do? Here in 21, your first left from left side or tens place, whatever, the from left side the first digit is 2, okay, and you are dividing 21 by 60 in your first step. 60 by 21, sorry, you are dividing 60 by 21 in your first step, right everyone? So 2 3s are 6, actually you know that 2 3s are 6, and here also 6 is there, but see now here it is 1 is there in one's place, and if you multiply it with 3 in one's place it will be 3 and then 63, which will be 3 more than 60. So what you have to do, 21 multiplied by 3 is equal to 63 it is coming. So 3 minus 1 you take, sorry, 3 minus 1 you take, so 2. 21 into 2, you are in quotient, your first digit will be 2. 21 2s are 42 and 60 minus 42, 18. Now you bring these 2 down. Here one more important thing, that you maintain these place values properly, okay, so that there will be no confusion. And 182 minus 168, that is 12 minus 8, 4, okay, and then don't forget to make it 7, because you made it this 2, you converted it into 12. Why? Because 110 you borrowed from here, right everyone? 10 plus this 2, that is a 12, and minus 8, that is 4. Now here in tens place you are not having 8, you are having 7. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Okay, these are very simple, but you have to take care of them. Now next is you are bringing 5 down, so it will be 145, and now you consider this 14 and this 2 7s are 14, but here 7 is there, okay, and 7 1s are 7 will be there in units place, and here you are getting 5. So you have to take 7 minus 1, that is equal to, prior to 7, 6. So now your next digit in quotient will be 6. You have to multiply 21 by 6. So when you multiply 21 by 6, sorry, you will be getting 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, that is 126. And when you subtract 126 from 145, again it will be 15, and 15 minus 6 will be 9, and again it will be 3, 3 minus 2, 1. And it is 1 minus 1, 0. Now you are going to bring this 0 down, right everyone? It will be 190, and 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So it is 19. So you can multiply it with 9. 9 1s are 9. Sorry, 9 2s are 18. So 189 you will be getting, and here 1 will be there in remainder. Now you are going to bring this 9 down, because it is the last digit given in your dividend. Okay, so now see, this 19 is less than 21. Mostly what do students do? They put one decimal here, okay, and bring 0 here. Okay, so this is the wrong step here. This is very wrong. If you put direct decimal here, that is incorrect. Why so? Because everywhere you are going step by step, one by one step you are going. Sorry. Now you brought this 9 down, and without completing this division, this step, you are proceeding further. Okay, that is not allowed. So now how to complete it? 21 zeros are 0. 19 minus 0 is equal to 19. Now you put this decimal. Okay, and this is one point. And again I am going to tell you in detail. Actually this number 602509, that is 6 lakh 2509 means here it is decimal is there and here infinite zeros are there. You can put as many zeros as you want. Right, everyone? So this, after decimal, these zeros have no importance until and unless you will get one whole number here. Okay, suppose if 1 is there, then all these zeros will have place value. Right, everyone? So this means here 0, 0, 0 are there. Now what you have to do after bringing this here, okay, it's must, I will change the color and let you know. Here you have to put 0. Because you are now multiplying 21 with 0. 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0. So here you are subtracting these 0 zeros from 19. So again remainder you will be getting 19. Now what you are going to do, this decimal you are going to put here. Okay, here the decimal is there, this you are going to put here and then you are going to bring this 0 down. Now it will be 190. Okay, and 190 means again you have here, I will change the color, I will write down here. Now see, I hope this point is clear to you. Okay, here 19 is there, so you have multiplied 21 with this 0. 21 zeros are 0. You have subtracted 0, 0 from 19. So 19 is there. This step actually in exam you need not to do. This is actually you can do it in mind. And then after this 0 only you have to put decimal here. Because now you are transferring this decimal of the dividend into quotient. And then you are going to bring this 0 down. Okay, now it is 190. So again it will be 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. Again the remainder will be 1. So again here one more 0. So you will be bringing this 0 down. As many decimal places asked in your exam. Sometimes they ask divide this by this till 2 decimal places, 4 decimal places. So accordingly you have to do. Now you are bringing this 0 down. Now see again this 10 is less than 21. Okay, you brought it down. So you need to put 1 0 here again. Okay, 1 0 here and then only you bring this 0 down. Now it is 100. So you can proceed 21. See 2 5s are 10 but here it will be 4. Because when you multiply 21 with 5, it will exceed this 100. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. In that way, you will continue. I hope this concept is clear, this decimal concept. If you are not going to put this 0, your answer will be wrong. Okay, everyone? Now let us discuss this second example. So this dividend is divided by this divisor. Here also you can see the first digit 36 table you don't know. So first you take 3 and then you take this 25. Okay, 3 8s are 24. Okay, 3 8s are 24. But here see, here it is 6 is there and when you multiply 6 with 8, 8 6 are 48 and 4 carryover is also there. And when you add 4 to 24, it will exit this number. Right, everyone? So you have to multiply 3 into 8 is equal to 24 you got now, which is exceeding your this available, whatever you available to you. Now what you have to do, 8 minus 1 that is equal to, you have to take 7 in your quotient. Right? So when you take 7 and this division in the same way, so let me take it quickly. So when you divide, better you follow these place values straightly so that there will be no confusion. Now after you brought this 9 down here, okay, here see it is 289. Okay, and then you have multiplied 289 and then you have multiplied 36 with 8. So you are getting 288 and then 1. Now see, this after means you have completed the division. When you brought this 9 down, then you have multiplied it with 8 and you subtracted it from whatever you got, the remainder, right? And you got the new remainder. So now you can shift. This is also here decimal and so many zeros are there. So now you can shift this decimal here and you can bring this 0 down. It is 10. Again 10 is less than 36. It is 10, 10 is less than 36. So what you have to do? After decimal put one 0. After decimal put one 0 and then you bring the second 0 down. Okay, then it is 100. I hope the point is clear to you all. And if you have enjoyed these questions, then please don't forget to like the video and share it with your family and friends.